Now that we have passed the 4 gates, we should go to the mirror caves. And according to this map, I think it's not that far. So let's give up. Last time, we helped the animals of jungle learn what nouns are. The animal, the place, the person, and the thing. And now, I'm wondering what the mirror caves will have for us. So, let's go and see. Oh, wow! Here we are. What is this? If you know the plural rules, you are safe. Well, I think it won't be a problem since you are with me. I always count on your help. Let's go inside now.
Help me. Can anybody hear me? Ah, finally. Why does this cave feel so strange? Why do I look like more than one? I just entered here by mistake, and now I am so scared. I can't go anywhere.
1 bat, 2 bats, 3 bats, and look at that S. The cave shows us what happens when one becomes many. When there's more than one, we usually add S to the word. It means bat changes to bats. And those are just your reflections in the mirrors. They are not dangerous. So 1 bat,
But many bats. Now I can get out of here safely. Bye.
it was the first rule for plural nouns. Let's continue our way. Oh, the cat here. It's so strange. Let's go this way. What should we do now? The path is blocked. Wait, what is that strange thing over there? Look at this. I think there is something about this gadget and the boxes. Well, let me see. We have 5 letters to choose. Look at those carved letters on top. What do you think? Oh, yes. Now I understand. I must use the plural noun that means boxes. B-O-X-E-S. When a word ends with sounds like X, S, Z, CH, and SH, we add ES to the word. Like box, that changes to boxes. Or watch, that changes to watches. It was the second rule for plural nouns. Let's see what we have next. Hear that sound? It's like a baby. Let's go and check. Oh, hi! It's a nice family. That's beautiful. But there is a mistake here. 1 baby is baby. But for more than one, we changed a word and we say babies. When a word ends with Y, we usually change Y to I. Then we add ES. Well, this was the 3rd rule related to plural nouns that we used in this cave. It's time to go now. What's happening? Why everything is getting dark? Please! Please don't eat me! What do you want from me?
We will eat you unless you know our plural.
Okay. One wolf, many wolves. When a word ends with flip sound, we change F to V. Then we add ES. Like leaf, that changes to leaves, or half, that changes to halves.
You are smart. Let him go.
Really? Thank you. I thought it was the end for us, but we made it. It was the fourth rule about plural nouns. I just want to go out of these caves. Let's go. Look at here. It is covered with mirrors again. There are many tunnels here. Where is the exit?
It's not enough to make the word mouses.
How?
What should we do now?
I don't know.
One mouse is mouse, but more than one is mice. M-I-C-E. It means 4 pieces of wood will be enough for you. Some plural nouns don't follow rules. We need to memorize them. Like man, that changes to men. Or foot, that changes to feet.
Thank you.
I think you are lost in this cave. The exit is that way.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Goodbye. Wow, finally! Well, we used 5 rules for plural nouns. It's time to get out of here now. But look at this big mirror. It is different from the other ones inside the cave. Wow, what is happening?
It is good to see you here. It means you know the rules of making plural nouns. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question. Choose the correct plural noun for city. Choose the correct plural noun for mouse. Choose the correct plural noun for fox. Choose the correct plural noun for leaf. Congratulations!
The exit is open now. Time to go! Hooray!
Deep in the caves, where mirrors glow, one thing can change if you just know. One becomes many in front of my eyes. The mirror is magic, a wonderful surprise. One thing, two things changing their form. Singular and plural are born. I see one bat flying alone. The mirror smiles, now it's not one. Just add an S, that's all it needs. One bat, two bats, believe. A box, a bus, a dish, a fox. The mirror says, wait, stop. Some words need more at the end. Add yes, and then they bend. One becomes many in front of my eyes. The mirror is magic, a wonderful surprise. One thing, two things changing their form. Singular and plural are born. One baby laughs, one fly flies by. The mirror gently changes why. Y to I, then ES appears. Baby's flies crystal clear. A leaf falls down, a wolf runs fast. The mirror shows a different past. F turns to V, then ES is true. Leaves, wolves, something new. One becomes many in front of my eyes. The mirror is magic, a wonderful surprise. One thing, two things changing their form. Singular and plural are born. But some words don't follow the rules. They change their shape, they play it cool. One mouse becomes something strange. Two mice. The mirror changes the game. One becomes many, now I can see. The mirror caves taught plurals to me. 5 golden rules shining bright. Words transform, and so do I. The mirror didn't change the word. It changed the way you see.